So first we have to assemble the parts of the CodeWiz. So this is the compartment, this is the cover and acrylic panel, and the Lego parts for the stand. So now I'm going to put it here. Okay, there's 4 at the bottom. So we have to tighten the parts. Okay, so we tighten it, and now we can put the cover here. Okay, so this will show the near pixel. Near pixel is the light. So it's like this. So that the light can show behind the hole. Now we have to tighten the cover. So we put the Lego parts here. Then we put the acrylic panel, so that the light show clearly from through the acrylic panel. Okay, and we have to connect this with the cable. Okay. Hello everyone, so now I'm going to show you how to make a sound mode light. So first of all, we have to connect with our CodeWiz, and then select at the AI section sound learning. So when we click, there's the menu for the operation for the sound learning appear here. So we have to make a sound model first, and then we have to upload our link here. So I'm going to show you how to make a sound model. So we click at the Google, we type teachable machine. So click it and get started. So we create our audio project. So the first one is background noise. So we just click on our mic, and then we record for the 20 seconds. So the AI will analyze our background noise, and then next time it will eliminate the noise. Okay, so we're going to record 20 seconds. Okay, done. And we create extract sample. So this is the sample. So class 2, we have to rename it. So this is the sound mood light. So I wish to like maybe we set our mood. So the first one is happy. So we click on our mic and we have to say happy. Okay, so record for 2 seconds. Happy, happy, happy. Happy, happy, happy. Okay, each 2 seconds we have to click extract sample. So we have to at least add sample. So we have to record again. Happy, happy, happy. So we have to at least add sample. So we have to record again. Happy, happy, happy. Okay, so we add class number 3. Maybe we set sad. Okay, so sad, extract, sad. Okay, extract, sad. Okay. Okay, so we already have add sample, so we add another one. Now is angry. So turn on our mic, record 2 seconds. Angry. That's right. So now I have record all my mood. So happy, sad, angry. So now I'm going to train my model. So it will automatically train and analysis our sound and our tone. Okay, so it's training now. So you must keep this tab open to train the model. Okay, happy. So you can see happy, that your analysis is happy. Sad, angry. So 100%. Okay, so we tested, it's okay, then we export. So we upload my model, we click it. So it's uploading the model. So here we have we successful upload our model. So this is our shareable link. So we click copy. So now we go back to our coding school. Okay, so trended sound link, we Control V, paste it. Our coding we can set. So when the flag is clicked, so we have to do what? We have to initiate our new pixel, but at first we have to clear all our new pixel, our light off. So at the sound learning, at first we select the train sound model link, and then recognition with train sound model, and going to the control panel forever, if then. Okay, so if what happened? So if the recognition is background noise, then what happened? So we're going back to our CodeWiz. So we're going to set all, no, we have to clear all new pixel. Okay, so now we duplicate and then we put it here. So if the sound is happy, then what should we do? So if happy, we put red, no, we put purple. Okay, we put purple. We put our purple color here. So we duplicate. No, what happened here? Okay, we duplicate, and then if angry, then is red color. Okay, duplicate and if it's set, then turn it to the blue. Okay, turn it to blue. Set. So if it's set, then it will turn it to blue. So now we're going to do some control here. So we ask it to wait for a second. So I'm happy. I'm angry. I'm sad. Okay, so that's all for the day, and I hope you enjoy my video. See you next time. Bye.